Hollywood host Kit Hoover and Crowley Sullivan separating after 25 years of marriage. Kit Hoover and Crowley Sullivan reportedly end their marriage after 25 years together. The Access Hollywood host and Sullivan are separating, says a report by People magazine. Hoover and Sullivan have not publicly addressed their alleged split, sources revealed. Crowley Sullivan is the CEO of Athlete Advantage, balancing career and personal life challenges. Stay tuned for more celebrity news updates at Vlog Advisor.